Hey everyone! If you're looking to lose weight quickly and naturally, make sure to check out the free report in the description below. Let's face it, we all want results, and we want them fast. Today, we're going to share a 7-day meal plan that will help you shed those extra pounds faster and easier. This plan is about making sustainable changes to your eating habits so you can lose weight and keep it off for good. Are you ready to commit to a healthier, happier you? Let's do this. All right, day 1, let's hit it hard. Today marks the beginning of your transformative journey towards a healthier, fitter you. We're starting with a breakfast that will fuel your body and keep you satisfied for hours. A nutritious breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. Forget sugary cereals or processed breakfast bars. These options might be convenient, but they won't give you the sustained energy you need. Today, we're going with a bowl of hearty oatmeal. It's a classic choice that's both filling and versatile. First, ditch the instant stuff and go for steel-cut or rolled oats. These types are less processed and have a better texture. Cook your oatmeal with water or unsweetened almond milk for a creamy texture. This way, you control the ingredients and avoid unnecessary sugars. Now comes the fun part: toppings. This is where you can get creative and add your personal touch. We're going for a burst of flavor and antioxidants with a handful of fresh berries. They add natural sweetness and a pop of color. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you enjoy. Each type of berry brings its own unique benefits. Feeling fancy? Sprinkle on a few chopped nuts for healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Nuts also add a nice texture contrast. Lunchtime calls for a lean protein and a rainbow of veggies. This combination will keep you full and energized. We're having grilled chicken salad. It's a perfect balance of protein and fresh produce. Grilling the chicken adds flavor without the need for excess oil. It's a healthy cooking method that keeps the meat juicy. Think romaine lettuce, spinach, chopped bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, tomatoes, red onion. The more variety, the better. The more color, the better. A colorful plate is not only visually appealing, but also nutritionally diverse. For dressing, skip the creamy, calorie-laden options and go for a light vinaigrette. It's a healthier choice that enhances the flavors of your salad. Olive oil and lemon juice is a classic for a reason. It's simple, fresh, and complements the ingredients perfectly. Dinner is all about keeping it light and flavorful. After a long day, you want something that's easy to digest. Baked salmon is our star player tonight. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Pair your salmon with a side of steamed broccoli. This green veggie is packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a perfect complement to your meal. Day 2, and we're keeping the momentum going. Today is all about embracing plant-based power. We're kicking things off with a nutrient-packed smoothie. Start with a handful of spinach. Next up, a banana for natural sweetness and potassium. Finally, add a cup of unsweetened almond milk for creaminess. Blend it all up until smooth and enjoy. Lunch is a quinoa bowl bursting with flavor and textures. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Cook your quinoa according to package directions. While it's cooking, prepare your toppings. We're going for black beans for added protein and fiber. Avocado adds healthy fats and a creamy texture. Don't be shy with the veggies. Chopped bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion. For a flavor boost, drizzle on a light dressing like a tahini dressing or a simple olive oil and lemon juice vinaigrette. Dinner is a quick and easy turkey stir-fry. Serve it over a bed of brown rice for a complete and satisfying meal. Day 3, you're doing amazing! Let's keep that energy high with a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious: Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is higher in protein than regular yogurt, which helps you feel fuller longer and supports muscle growth. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Layer your yogurt with granola for a satisfying crunch. Look for granola that's low in sugar and high in fiber. Top it off with a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Lunch is a portable and satisfying whole grain wrap. Choose a whole grain tortilla for added fiber and nutrients. Hummus is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Spread a generous layer of hummus on your tortilla. Pile on the veggies. Think spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers. Dinner tonight is a lean beef stir-fry. Day 4, we're halfway there. Let's keep the momentum going with a protein-packed breakfast that will fuel you through your morning. We're going back to basics with scrambled eggs and a slice of whole grain toast. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Scramble your eggs with a splash of water or unsweetened almond milk for a fluffier texture. Season them simply with salt and pepper. Pair your eggs with a slice of whole grain toast for added fiber and carbohydrates. Lunchtime calls for a refreshing and flavorful chickpea salad. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Combine chickpeas, chopped cucumbers, and tomatoes in a bowl. For a creamy dressing, mash some avocado with a little bit of lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together and enjoy your chickpea salad on a bed of leafy greens. For dinner, fire up the grill for some delicious grilled shrimp. Serve your grilled shrimp with a side of quinoa and asparagus for a complete and satisfying meal. Day 5, you're crushing it. Let's shake things up with a fun and flavorful breakfast, a smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are a great way to pack in a ton of nutrients and start your day with a burst of energy. Start with a base of frozen fruit. I love using a mix of berries, bananas, and mangoes for a tropical twist. Add a handful of spinach or kale for an extra boost of vitamins and minerals. Blend everything together with a splash of almond milk or water until smooth and creamy. Pour your smoothie into a bowl and let's talk toppings. We're going for a mix of textures and flavors here. Think fresh fruit like berries, sliced bananas, or kiwi. Add a sprinkle of granola for some crunch. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Lunchtime calls for a hearty and comforting lentil soup. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Serve your lentil soup with a side of mixed greens for a complete and satisfying meal. For dinner, let's have some baked chicken breast with sweet potato fries. Day 6, we're in the home stretch. You've been doing an amazing job so far, and today we're going to focus on nourishing your body with some plant-powered goodness. Let's keep the energy high with a protein-packed breakfast that will power you through your morning. A good breakfast sets the tone for the rest of the day, so let's make it count. We're talking about cottage cheese with pineapple. This combination is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Cottage cheese is often overlooked, but it's a fantastic source of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need sustained energy. Choose low-fat or fat-free cottage cheese to keep the calories in check. This way, you can enjoy all the benefits without worrying about extra calories. Now, for a touch of sweetness and a digestive boost, we're adding pineapple. Pineapple not only adds a burst of flavor, but also brings a host of health benefits. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which aids in digestion and can help reduce bloating. This makes it a great addition to your breakfast. Dice up some fresh pineapple or use canned pineapple chunks packed in their own juice. Both options work well, so choose what's convenient for you. The combination of protein-rich cottage cheese and juicy pineapple is a surprisingly delicious and satisfying way to start your day. It's a breakfast that feels indulgent but is actually very healthy. Lunchtime is all about fresh flavors and healthy fats with a classic tuna salad. This meal is not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients to keep you going through the afternoon. But we're ditching the mayonnaise and opting for a lighter, more flavorful alternative, avocado. Avocado adds creaminess and healthy fats without the extra calories. In a bowl, combine your tuna, mashed avocado, chopped celery, red onion, and a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. This combination is not only delicious, but also very nutritious. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning to your preference to make it perfect for your palate. Pile your tuna salad onto a bed of leafy greens for a satisfying crunch and added nutrients. The greens add fiber and vitamins, making this a well-rounded meal. For an extra boost of flavor, add a sprinkle of sunflower seeds or chopped walnuts. These add a nice crunch and additional healthy fats. Dinner is a vibrant and flavorful veggie stir-fry with tofu. This dish is packed with colorful vegetables and plant-based protein, making it a perfect end to your day. Day 7, you made it. This is a significant milestone and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Congratulations on completing this 7-day meal plan. Your dedication and commitment have paid off. You've nourished your body with delicious, nutritious foods, and you're on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Each meal has been a step towards a healthier you. Let's finish strong with a breakfast that celebrates healthy habits and sets you up for a successful week ahead. A good breakfast can make all the difference in your day. We're going for a bowl of whole grain cereal with almond milk and fresh fruit. This combination is both tasty and nutritious. Choose a cereal that's made with 100% whole grains and is low in sugar. This ensures you're getting the best start to your day. Look for options that are high in fiber and protein to keep you feeling fuller longer. These nutrients are essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the morning. Almond milk is a great alternative to cow's milk if you're lactose intolerant or simply looking for a plant-based option. It's also lower in calories and can be fortified with vitamins. Top your cereal with a generous serving of fresh fruit for a boost of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This not only adds flavor, but also enhances the nutritional value of your meal. Lunchtime is a quick and easy grilled veggie sandwich. It's a perfect way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. Choose whole grain bread for added fiber and nutrients. Whole grains are beneficial for digestion and overall health. Spread a thin layer of hummus or avocado on your bread for healthy fats and flavor. These spreads are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Then, pile on your favorite grilled veggies. Grilling brings out the natural sweetness and flavors of the vegetables. Serve your grilled veggie sandwich with a side of fresh fruit for a complete and satisfying meal. This combination ensures you're getting a balanced intake of nutrients. For dinner, let's end the week on a high note with a serving of baked cod with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts. This meal is rich in protein and fiber, making it a perfect way to conclude your healthy eating week. Congratulations on making it to the end of this 7-day meal plan. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can adjust the meals and snacks to fit your own dietary needs and preferences. The most important thing is to focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods and to listen to your body's hunger cues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and meal plans.